Hello, Dust Bunny here from the VR Dance Academy, and today I'm going to show you our warm-up that we do before classes. It's just a little stretch to get our bodies ready to move, so let's go ahead and do that together here in this fabulous jungle bungalow. I like saying jungle bungalow. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We'll have our feet shoulder width apart and just take nice deep breaths in and rise up and out and go down. Nice big deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And again, deep breath in and deep breath out. And then we go ahead and bring our fingertips together and we'll stretch to the left. And to the right. This is a good little stretch to do before you dance. Or if you're at work and you're at your desk, you can just stand up and do this for a quick few minutes. Leaning over to the left now, looking up towards the sky. And then we'll reach our right arm forward, point the toes and nose that way, reach. Nice long stretch here. And then we'll slowly rise up to the other side. And go to the right. Same thing, looking up, resting that arm on top of the thigh. Oh, it feels so good. And then go ahead and reaching that left arm, reach. And then come all the way up, arms up, and we go down. Deep breath here, sway left and right. Sway your body, sway. And then point the toes to the left and go over your left leg for a nice triangle pose here. And bend that left knee, rise up into a lunge, arms stretched. And then we go back down to the center, now pointing the toes to the right and going over the right side. Bending that right knee, rising up into a lunge, hold here. And then back to center. And let's hang out down here one more time. Deep breath. Roll it up. Rolling the shoulders back, bringing the feet together. Roll the shoulders backwards. Deep breath. And then we'll roll the shoulders forward now. Forward roll. Forward roll. And how about those wrinkles, wrists and ankles? We rotate. That's what I call them in class. And the other side. Just warming up the body here. And let's roll the head, nice big circle. Just be gentle, especially if you're in VR, because we have a huge microwave on our head. And other way. Can't wait till the headsets get smaller and lighter, and doing yoga can be much more comfortable. Raising the right hand, we bend the knee, dropping the hip, pull down, pretend you're climbing those jungle vines like Tarzan, because we're in the jungle. Bend and straighten. Really reach. Good, and then we're gonna bring our knee up and out, and another one up and out. Two more, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of balancing here, so if you need to hold on to something, that's okay. Raising the right arm up, and we're just going to grab that foot behind us and stretch here. And relax. And other foot. Good. And then we're going to take our feet nice and wide, arms out to the side. We're going to push our hips side to side. Keep the upper body in place and just push those hips out to the side. Making a figure 8 now around the feet. Draw that figure 8. Good. And then a big circle. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Y'all know that. This is SpongeBob guy. I'm not a fan of SpongeBob. But I'm a fan of his move. Alright, good. And now shake it out. Whoa. Shake it out. And now you're ready to do whatever it is you're gonna do. So I hope that you enjoyed this little stretch. I do this stretch every time before classes at the VR Dance Academy. So if you're interested in attending those classes, be sure to check out my website at vrdance.org, or you can check out our Ko-fi page at ko-fi.com/vrdance, and that's ko-fi.com/vrdance, and you can become a student today. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you there.